Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back out with Paul. I'm going to do some fishing, something a bit different today. Season's coming to an end on the rabbits and the hunting, so let's have a go at some fishing. I'm going to fish a canal. I ain't been fishing in a long time. Can't remember the last fish I caught. But you're saying there's a good chance of catching zander, pike and perch?
Yeah, definitely, mate. If we catch a zander, it'll be nice because they're hard.
Yeah, I've never seen one.
Little perch it quite well here. Well, it's just here, look here. This is a Ukrainian camp, so you'll see further on down there. So this little bit of canal here does take a bit of a battering sometimes, but I fish it loads in the summer and it does fish well.
Yeah.
It's if they ain't been having a bit of a Ukrainian feast.
Okay.
But yeah, we've got a chance, mate. We've got a chance.
Alright, when you get to it, it's a nice little spot here. Got a nice little church behind me, or in front of me. Now it's behind me. And we've got some horses that side. Paul with his camera. Are you going to be making a video as well? Or?
I'm gonna try. Well, I don't like
Heaps and heaps of footage.
I'll just give it to you and let you do with it what you want.
Damn, I need a laptop. Yeah.
Definitely bang some little perch, I should imagine, out of here. I'll be happy with a zander. It's one zander, and I'll be happy with.
Have you had one yet?
I've had a couple out of here.
You have?
Yeah, you've got to have a right slow retrieve. They know that you're trying to catch them.
Zander, are they native or not?
No. I believe they were first stocked into Woburn.
Yeah.
Same as Chinese water deer and that. But for me, brilliant fish, glad they're here.
What's the biggest fish you've had out of this? Or are you known to come out of it?
Oh, I don't know what's come out of it, but there'll be some big pike in here. And the biggest I've had out of it is about £8.
Yeah.
Which is plenty. I mean, I'm quite happy catching perch that big all day long.
Yeah, same.
Out of here, I mean. But there's some nice zander in here. I've yet to catch a big zander out of here, but they are in here because the marina at the bottom, some massive ones have come out.
Yeah.
And they just patrol up and down, I'm going to use that. Give that a blast. That's brilliant, that. I've had loads of chub on that, but it's light.
Nice selection of stuff. What are you going for? Oh yeah.
Nice worm.
Yeah.
Probably a bit big for here, but got a good chance of jack pike on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's going like that. Biggest bit of weed so far.
I bet I can get bigger.
That's it, match on. Biggest bit of...
we're struggling. I had nothing yet. I've been fishing for about an hour. A bit longer than an hour. Just heading down to a bridge down there. Tried what they call walking the dog. Might do that all the way down there again.
Might as well covering the ground anyway.
Yeah. If you're not aware of what that means, it means casting it into the water and walking down this footpath and basically dragging it along. You've had a couple of, they followed you, what have you said, they followed you?
I've had a couple of follows off the perch, but they're not really hitting it, they're just following it into the edge.
Heading back now. We've had a couple of hours and not caught anything, not any bites.
Not giving up yet.
I'm going to try another spot. Paul's got somewhere in mind, so. Okay, we're at another spot now, and I've been to this spot with Paul before. We've had a pike and a perch, didn't we, last time?
2 casts, yeah.
Yeah. So let's see if we can catch something today.
Should do. Never fails this spot. I guarantee it'll fail now.
Yeah.
Now, the water level's gone back down, so it's shallow in places, so all the fish will be holed up in the deep spots. Right. Yeah, I know it's been hammered a bit, this place has. Some young lads have been fishing here, taking the fish out, but we should do alright, hopefully. We should get a couple of casts and a catch at least.
Yep.
Down. Bastard. Move on.
Need that fucking landing it. I just missed your take as well.
I've got it on the boat, Bob.
Have you? It's a cracking chub, isn't it?
Absolutely stunning chub. If you see how small this brook is.
Hey?
See how small this brook is? It's a big old fish, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. That's where we had the pike last time. I bet this.
The parking area. Definitely.
Can get you a photo.
Yeah, please, mate.
Alright, so Paul's just caught a nice chub, and then I had a couple of casts with his rod, and I've got it snagged in the tree.
Killer plug.
There it is, look.
Oh, that looks
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. That's the one. Alright, so we are finished for the day. I've not managed to catch any fish. Paul had that chub, and we've come back down the river, back towards the van. Had a couple of more casts in the little pools. But yeah, we've not managed to get anything else. So we'll have to try it again.
I'm top angler today.
Yeah.
Best of a bad bunch, I reckon. We ain't fishermen, are we?
No. Nice chub what you had.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Tracking chub. What do you reckon? Weight of that?
I wouldn't like to guess. I'm not very good at guessing.
No.
I'm not really bothered about the weight. It was a nice fish.
Yeah. Did you feel it well on that rod?
Yeah, you feel everything on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice fish, and that's all that counts. We had a good walk out, and we've seen loads of wildlife. Sun come up for a bit.
Felt a bit more of the spring, didn't we?
Yeah, nice, mate. That's all. Just nice to be out.
Yeah.
And then hopefully all this COVID bollocks will be gone in a month or two, and then it's back to proper being out. Can't wait.
Like you say, it's nice to watch it back.
It's nice to have some memories, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I've got literally fucking, you know what I'm like now. I film stuff and I go out every day, but it never makes it to YouTube or anywhere else. But one day, kids will be able to look back on it and say,
yeah,
he was alright in money.
Never seen him, he was always alright.
Never see him. Who was that fella there? Good job I got some video of him, he's never in.
Alright. Leave it at that, yeah?
Yeah, we just talk too much shit, mate. I'm meant to be
Right.
buying hairspray for my missus on the way home and everything, you're keeping me fucking talking. I'm going to give my ramble on my camera in a minute, so go over to my channel and watch me talking shit.
Yeah. Mutra Outdoors.
Mutra Outdoors. Formerly Night Hunt Whippets, we'll give that up.
That's it. Make sure you spell Mutra right. Wrong. Spell it wrong so you can... It's
I look like
M-O-U.
I've got a fucking A in English. You're lucky it's even got an M in it.
Sound.
Mutra Outdoors.
Alright, thanks for watching, and if this video gets uploaded...
If. Like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shite.
Yeah. Sound. See you later.